Have you ever stood outside your child's classroom, and when the teacher looked at you, your mind just went blank? You wanted to ask about your child's progress, but the words disappeared. You smiled, nodded, and said nothing. Today, that stops. In the next few minutes, you're going to speak real English sentences that every parent needs when talking to a teacher. Not next month, not next parent-teacher meeting. Today, right now. Hello everyone, and welcome to Competition Cracker English Podcast. I'm Harry, your English teacher and friend, and this is one of the podcasts from our English speaking series. Today's topic is very close to many parents' hearts: how to talk to your child's teacher with confidence. Whether it's a parent-teacher meeting, a quick chat at pickup time, or writing a note to school, this lesson is for you. And joining me today is my friend Simi.
Hi everyone. Honestly, this topic makes me a little nervous. I have a daughter in school, and every time I talk to her teacher, I feel like I'm the one being tested, not her. I want to sound polite and smart, but I always freeze and just say, okay, thank you.
Simi, that is so common. So many parents feel this exact same way. You care about your child, so naturally you want to say the right thing. But here's the good news. Today, we're going to give you simple, natural sentences that any parent can use, no matter your English level.
Yes, I really need this. Let's start.
Perfect. Let's begin, everyone. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and remember, this is not a boring class. This is real, useful English for real parents. Simi, let's start simple. How is your daughter doing in school these days?
She's doing good. She like her class.
Close. Let's upgrade that a little. We say, she's doing well. She likes her class. Small changes, big difference. Try again.
She's doing well. She likes her class.
Wonderful. Now let me ask, do you talk to her teacher often?
Not really. I want to talk more, but I don't know what to say. Sometimes I meet her teacher and I just say hello and walk away.
Simi, that's exactly the fear we're fixing today. And you know what? Even teachers sometimes struggle with small talk. This isn't just a language problem. It's a confidence problem, and we can absolutely fix that.
That makes me feel better already.
Let's build your confidence with some powerful starter sentences. Repeat after me. I'd like to ask about my child's progress.
I'd like to ask about my child's progress.
Nice job. Next one. How is my daughter doing in class?
How is my daughter doing in class?
Excellent. Next, does she participate well in class?
Does she participate well in class?
Beautiful. Next, is there anything we should work on at home?
Is there anything we should work on at home?
You're getting it. Last one. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me.
Thank you for taking the time to meet with me.
Simi, you just spoke 5 powerful sentences you can use in almost any school conversation. That's huge progress already. Now let me ask you something bigger. Why is it important for you to talk to your child's teacher?
It's important because I want to know how she is doing, not just her grades, but also her behavior and her friends. Last year, I didn't ask enough questions, and I felt like I missed a lot. This year, I've decided to be more involved.
Simi, that's a beautiful answer. And notice something. You just use past tense and present perfect naturally. I didn't ask enough. And I've decided to be more involved. That's exactly how real English speakers talk. You're not thinking about grammar. You're just expressing your feelings. And that's the goal.
Really? I didn't even notice I did that.
That's the magic of practice. It starts to happen automatically. Let's practice 2 real situations parents face all the time. Situation 1. A parent-teacher meeting.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good afternoon. Thank you for coming in today. Please have a seat.
Good afternoon. Thank you for meeting with me.
Of course. So overall, your daughter is doing quite well in class. She's attentive and completes her homework on time.
That's great to hear. Is there anything she needs to improve?
Yes, actually. She's a bit shy during group activities. Encouraging her to speak up more in group work would really help her.
Okay, I understand. I'll talk to her about it at home. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out anytime. Simi, that was fantastic. You asked a clear follow-up question, and you responded like a caring, engaged parent. That's exactly what teachers love to hear.
Thank you, Harry. That felt easier than I expected.
Now situation 2, a quick chat at school pickup.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi there. Just wanted to mention, your daughter did a wonderful job on her science project today.
Oh, thank you so much. She worked really hard on it this week.
She really did. You should be proud.
I am. Thank you for telling me. Have a good evening.
You too? Excellent, Simi. Short, warm, and natural, exactly how real hallway conversations sound. And here's a fun fact before we continue. Did you know that in many English-speaking countries, teachers actually love when parents ask small follow-up questions? It shows interest, and it makes the teacher's day a little brighter too. So don't be afraid to ask one extra question. It's always welcome.
That's good to know. I always thought asking more questions might annoy them.
Not at all. Okay, let's keep building your skills. Everyone, repeat after me. How is my child doing in school?
How is my child doing in school?
Is she behaving well in class?
Is she behaving well in class?
Does she get along with other students?
Does she get along with other students?
What can we do at home to help?
What can we do at home to help?
Is there anything she's struggling with?
Is there anything she's struggling with?
Thank you for your patience with her.
Thank you for your patience with her.
I appreciate you letting me know.
I appreciate you letting me know.
Can I schedule a follow-up meeting?
Can I schedule a follow-up meeting?
Is there a reading list you recommend?
Is there a reading list you recommend?
We really appreciate everything you do.
We really appreciate everything you do.
Please let us know if anything changes.
Please let us know if anything changes.
I want to support her learning as much as I can.
I want to support her learning as much as I can.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Fantastic, everyone. Use these at every school meeting, every pickup, every school email. Simi, let's learn some useful words for this topic.
Okay, I'm ready.
Word 1, progress. Progress means how well someone is improving over time. For example, I'd like to know about my daughter's progress.
My daughter has made a lot of progress this year.
Beautiful sentence. Word 2, behavior. Behavior means how someone acts. For example, her behavior in class has been excellent.
Her behavior at home has improved too.
Nice job. Word 3, participate. Participate means to take part in something. For example, does she participate in class discussions?
I want her to participate more in group activities.
Excellent. Word 4, struggle. Struggle means to have difficulty with something. For example, she struggles a little with math.
She struggles with reading sometimes, but she's improving.
Perfect example. Word 5. Encourage. Encourage means to give someone support and confidence. For example, we encourage her to speak up more.
I try to encourage her every day.
Beautifully used. Word 6. Involved. Involved means taking an active part in something. For example, I want to be more involved in her education.
This year, I've decided to be more involved.
Let's test what you learned. Question 1. What would you say to start a conversation with a teacher?
I would say, thank you for taking the time to meet with me.
Great start. Question 2. How would you ask about your child's behavior?
I would ask, is she behaving well in class?
Nice job. Question 3. How would you ask what to do at home to help?
I would say, what can we do at home to help?
Excellent. Question 4. How would you end the conversation politely?
I would say, thank you for your patience with her, or I appreciate you letting me know.
Wonderful. Last question. How do you feel now compared to before we started?
Honestly, much more confident. I actually feel like I could walk into a meeting right now.
That's exactly the result we want, Simi. Here are 5 tips just for talking to teachers. Tip 1. Prepare 2 or 3 questions before the meeting. This takes the pressure off trying to think of something to say on the spot. Tip 2. Start with something positive. A simple, thank you for your time, or a compliment about the class sets a warm tone right away. Tip 3. It's okay to ask the teacher to repeat something. Saying, sorry, could you say that again? Is completely normal and polite. Tip 4. Take small notes during the meeting. Even 2 or 3 words in English will help you remember what was said and follow up later. Tip 5. End every conversation with a thank you. It's simple, but it leaves a warm, professional impression every time. Write these down, Simi, and use them at your next meeting.
I will. These feel very doable.
Simi, how do you feel now compared to the start of this episode?
At the beginning, I felt nervous just thinking about this topic. But now, I have real sentences I can use. I know how to ask about progress, behavior, and homework. I even practiced a full meeting and a quick hallway chat. I feel ready.
That's wonderful to hear. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. First, we practiced warm-up questions about your child's progress. Second, we learned key starter sentences for any school conversation. Third, we role-played a full parent-teacher meeting and a quick pickup chat. Fourth, we learned 6 useful vocabulary words. Fifth, we tested your understanding with a quiz. And finally, I gave you 5 practical tips for your next school meeting.
We really covered a lot today.
We did. And remember, Simi, you don't need perfect grammar to be a great communicator. You just need to speak with warmth and confidence, and the teacher will always appreciate that effort. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching this podcast. I'm Harry, and it was a pleasure spending today with you. Here's your challenge. After this video, say at least 10 sentences out loud about your own child's school or class. It can be a question you'd like to ask a teacher, or something you'd love to say at pickup time. And if you want, write 1 sentence in the comments below, maybe a question you're planning to ask at your next school meeting. We'll read your comments and cheer you on. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our regular episodes. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Definition.